Babe,
I can't.
babe, this is for Flash Custom Transfers channel. Let's read this.
Babe, no.
Mr. Sean. So I have a sublimation printer, Epson EcoTank 2803. So when I get the DTF transfer paper, can I still use the sublimation ink or do I need to switch to regular ink? This is literally on the how to order our heat transfers video. Baby, can you please help this guy out?
I can. Sean Lamar. Where do I start? Okay, so Mr. Sean Lamar, here at Flash Custom Transfers, the DTF, which is direct to film, is exactly what it sounds like. We print.
Oh, you got one in your hand?
Yeah, that's right.
Oh.
We print directly to the film. So the sublimation printer has nothing to do with what we're doing. We're replacing your sublimation printer. So that's why you maybe see sublimation in our titles and things like that. We're replacing. We do offer sublimation game sheets now, but that has nothing to do with DTF. So I'm gonna show you, you might think we would send you that we might send you the film and that you put the film into the printer. I think that's how I might have understood it. But this is...
Oh, that's a game sheet.
This is a DTF game sheet. We sell them 22 by 24 right here, this is 22 by 24. This is a second one. And this is one of our... very loyal returning customers. This is their clothing brand. Full pledge here. So let me roll it out because I want to see, they have a summer collection for this brand. So I want to show you, I'm going to go ahead. So this is actually 6 sheets. So Mr. Sean Lamar, this is a 6-sheet game sheet. This is not one sheet for $20. This is 6 sheets combined. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you
And that's because they bought 5, got 1 free.
Yes, they did get the promotion, buy 5, get 1 free. I just really like the summer collection, so I'm going to show you.
Oh, we haven't done this in months.
I know, isn't it funny?
Rolling it out.
Here's the summer one. Chilling in his slides. Isn't that cool? With his Cabana drink. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. So, oops, excuse me. So this is our 6 sheets. So that is his summer logo. So obviously they're from the boot, which is Louisiana, because the shape of the state looks like a boot, so they call it the boot. I don't know if you knew that because you're from New York.
Oh, I definitely.
So here we go. B-roll for the people in the back. As y'all remember, my husband tries to mean loca.
Oh, yes. Say it in Spanish.
Mi esposo drives me up the beeping wall. Okay, so... Okay, so this is our buy 5 get 1 free promotion that's still going on through May. June, we will not have this promotion because we have another big promotion coming along. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. So I'm gonna go ahead, wrap this one up, and I want to show you something real quick. So pause the camera and let me wrap this up real quick. Well, that's not good then. You say that right when you turn on the camera?
She beats me.
Okay, so I wanted to show you guys this real quick. I still get a lot of Taco Tuesday. Cinco de Mayo's coming up.
Oh, yeah. We should do a Cinco de Mayo sale. Oh, yeah, we got to do a Cinco de Mayo sale.
Like 2 for Tuesdays?
What's like a 5? Because it's the 5. We got to put something with the 5 in it.
1955? No,
don't get it in the sun, it blows it up. I mean, in the sun, don't get it in the light, it blows it up.
I really want to get this detail.
No,
So I'm going to show you guys something real quick. I still get a lot, from our previous videos, we talked about Canva and creating artboards in Canva. We did not do a follow-up because we realized when you export from Canva, it drops the resolution. A lot of people create their images in Canva, send them over to us, and the resolution is dropped. This is an example of someone who created in Canva. So if you look closely, I don't know if the camera can pick it up.
Yeah, the pixels and the white lines and stuff.
So I will zoom in 300 and show you this is not the highest resolution. This person, thank you for your order, by the way, if you're watching this. They said, go ahead and print it. Let's just see what it looks like. So it doesn't look bad to the naked eye, kind of far away. It doesn't look bad. If you get close up, you can see here, there's just not sharp edges compared to this one. Go ahead and pan here. It's so dark in here.
No, it's perfect. No, yeah.
If you can see my sharp edges here, everything on these pages have been vectored. This whole file has been vectored. This has not, and this is I kind of wanted to show my people out there, this is a Canva image. This is how it will print. It doesn't look bad, but it is not perfect. It is not sharp and is not clean, but it still looks good. I would still wear this. This actually, the one I'm wearing now, goal getter. You get it? Like I go, like a go getter, but I'm a goal getter. Cause I get the goals. Anyway, so this is a Canva one as well. It doesn't look bad. I can tell that it's not perfect, but it still looks really good.
Yeah, you can see the white. You can see the white.
Yeah.
Well, what's a suggestion? If you are gonna do something like this, do it on a white shirt.
Yeah.
Do it on a white shirt.
That's the only way to get it. If you have shadowing, things like that. Let me see if I have shadowing. You know what? I do. I want to show that as well. You ready? This is another Canva as well.
Bring it out the way.
So it's not that bad, but look at these edges. They're not clean. A vector file would be like so sharp you can cut. Shadow effects. When you have shadow effects, the printer is going to try to obviously print the shadow effects, and it will leave a white. If you look at this Roadrunner here, you see my cloud. The printer has to figure out, how do I print this cloud that's see-through that is a shadow? This is what you're going to have. You're going to have an overwhelmingly white pixeled background, or not necessarily background, pixelated, to try to print those shadow effects. So please be aware, if I do see shadow effects in your artwork, I will definitely let you know, and I will let you know the risk, and you can approve or deny. We have another shadow effect here, which was approved. You can see the pretty red, and then you can see the white pixel type of thing that the computer is still trying to print that shadow. So here is an example of a vectored, I don't think this one's vectored, but yeah, shadow effects and Canva. You okay? Shadow effects in Canva and vectors, and buy 5 get 1 free, and we still have our promotion buy 10 get 2 free. So please take advantage of that for the month of May. June, it's going to be a whole new ball game. Getting the goal getter. You're impressed with that?
No.
Why didn't I level like that?
I don't know. Just looking at the different angles.
Okay. So I hope that I was able to answer your question, Mr. Sean Lamar, or kind of clear up any confusion. I can't think of any. Oh, we did start our new employee today. Please introduce Marian. Come on out, Marian. Just kidding. She's not here. She'll be here tomorrow at 11 to 3. We did get her permission to film her, but I don't know if I'm a filmer. She's very shy. But very, very happy, very pleased. She's very good. So if you guys will be emailing us soon, you will either be talking to me or Mary Ann. So please be nice, please be kind, and we are gonna get your artwork done and orders out as soon as we can, timely manner, like we always do. Let me think. I think that is it. If you want to pan here, just kind of take a look at some of the artwork.
Panned here?
Panned?
What
is it?
What do you think it is?
I just said what I thought it was. Pan.
You said duh.
Pan.
Say festival?
I say it like pertussis. Okay, so we haven't shown artwork in a long time. So go ahead and just kind of see some of the, I know they're not laid out, but it's cool to see like all the different colors and gradients that we're able to do. Look at this
dang orders.
Look at this cute guy. He's vectored. He's a returning customer, which is super cute. So yeah, it is a lot of orders.
Yeah, because look at that box over there. Plus that.
Yeah, so.
Plus that.
Also, don't forget, this is a returning customer. You know him. Killa. With the cute. Killa with the cute. So he's pretty good. I appreciate him. Oh, and we cannot print copyrighted images and trademarked images such as Nike, Adidas, Gucci, Puma, no Disney characters. Like I saw one this week, it was Little Mermaid, Beauty and the Beast, anything like that. If you do have like a Disney outline and you're wanting, if you're doing like a Disney vacation and it says Adam's Family Vacation 2022, that is a very custom logo. We can print that, but I would not be able to print just the Disney head, the Mickey head by itself, because that's copyrighted. The more you customize the image, the more you have a chance of having it printed. I'm trying to think of anything else. I think that is it. Anything you can think of?
No, that's a pretty good video. It's been a minute since you've released.
Plus, please be sure to look at, what's your name? Straight Out of Content's channel. We just did a stress test with our kiddos from the blog, and it is so cute. So please check that out. And everybody who's watching, thank you. I appreciate you. I know we have a lot of loyal customers here, followers, subscribers, everybody on Instagram, Facebook. Oh my God, I haven't even got a chance to go to my Facebook group, but now that we hired Mary Ann, I'll have a lot more free time to post in there and give you guys exclusive deals like I've wanted to do. I do have a lot of people that are waiting. If you are not a part of the Flash Custom Transfers Facebook group, please be a part of that. Please. I will approve you as soon as I get time.
You don't want to be a part of that, guys.
That's ugly. Why would you say that? There's nothing going on in there right now because I haven't got to go in there. So this is a Flash Custom Transfer. Look, I got 95 members already, and I have a whole bunch of people waiting for me to accept them, and I just haven't had time. So right now,
so you should accept them.
This is not a place to ask if your email went through, though. This is just but no, he's great. He's great. I've already sent him his stuff. Look at baby Leo. Gonica, Ashley. Okay. A place to order, looking at a place. So anyways, this is just, thanks for the ad. You're welcome, Angie. Thank you, Charlie. You are the best. This is what I like to see. Yvonne de la Carla Ross. Anyways. Thank you guys. We appreciate you. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And you will be seeing a lot more of me. And I will see you next time. Bye.